Movie 51B. This video is going to show you how to prime and refill our Canon compatible refill cartridges as part of the new Lyson individual refillable cartridge system, which allows you to change individual cartridges from Canon to Lyson one colour at a time. Now the first thing we need to do, if we look at the this is the Canon printer opened up. It's a typical Canon printer. What we need to do is we need to take out the cartridges. We take out the cartridges and actually take out the head. So here we have the Canon cartridges in a line. We're going to take out the head. There we are. Now there's the head. Now in this case we're going to actually just change the black cartridge. So we can leave these cartridges in, but for the sake of clarity at the moment I'm leaving these out. So let's put this off to one side. We're actually going to replace the black cartridge. So we've taken the black cartridge out of the way, which is the Canon, and this is the replacement as part of our pack. So we've got a black Canon compatible cartridge, we have the Lyson Photonic XG ink, we have the syringe, and also as part of the pack is a little silicone seal. You should see that little silicone seal that we need to place into the head. Now we've already got one placed in here already. Well, I think we've been a bit previous. Let's get that one out, and let's take. So what we need to do is take the silicone seal that's already in there. You can place it with your fingers, to be honest. So let's just place that in like so. Once you've got the seal in there placed, that's it. But it's important to get a nice seal. There we are, like so. That's nicely. That's all ready to accept the cartridge. So that's the first thing to do, is make sure you've got the silicone seal placed inside the head. The next thing we need to do is to take off the little yellow strap. This little yellow band. That's the breather. Take away there. Then we take off the black filler cap. Now this cartridge comes complete with a little saddle. Leave the saddle there, and we'll get the Lyson ink here, and I generally tend to use about take about 10 ml out. Here we go, and we place it inside. You see the tube going all the way down the bottom. Just slowly fill her up. And you can see the sponge actually absorbing the ink. That's just about the correct amount that you want to fill up the cartridge with. We put the little bung back in. That's 10 ml of ink. That's ample for this particular cartridge. You want to aim for about an 85% fill in each cartridge. Put the top back on the ink, and that bottle is good for 6 refills. So that's tremendous economy for you. And then what we now do is we just take the cartridge out of the little carrier and clip it into the head. Actual fact, what I can do, let's do it the way we'd actually do it in practice. Let's just clip the head back into the machine. So we clip the head back in the machine, and we'd actually clip that in. That's it. That just clips in nicely. Right. And then it's then joined by its large partner there. And of course we do that compatible cartridge as well. And then the yellow just clips in. That's it, they all clip in like so. clip it back in, and we're ready to carry on. Now these cartridges are fitted with AutoReset chips. They're little chips there, which means that whenever you turn off your printer, on turning back on again, your printer will register these cartridges as full. This means that you need to keep an eye on the ink levels within your refillable cartridges and top up when needed. Now, a few years ago there was a stigma attached to refill cartridges, but nowadays far more professional photographic, home, office use is sold all around the world using refill inks than even continuous flow systems. And you can see how clean, quick and simple this new generation of refill cartridges are to use. Now, you can use these refill cartridges as a complete set, replacing all the colour channels at the same time, or if you prefer, you may allow your printer to run out of just one colour ink at a time, buying one individual refillable cartridge kit at a time, so that you use every drop of brand ink before you finally change over to your complete Lyson Professional Ink set. Colour rendering is largely unaffected while you're changing over one colour at a time, but the Lyson chemists advise you that you should leave the magenta changeover until the last if you possibly can. Then you can apply your Lyson ICC printer profiles as required. Now, the Lyson laboratories will create for you one free high-end custom printer profile for your favourite Lyson inkjet paper, and you will qualify for further free custom profiles with each purchase of Lyson products that you place. So we get you to this level of colour and monochrome quality. Now, if you have any further questions about this exciting new product, please email us at digital@marrott.com. Thank you for watching.